Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Let's have a more intimate look at the Era Insurance padlock. Brace yourself. Abracadabra. Okay. Now we can really see what we are doing. I think this needs to be in a vise. Okay. You can see how when I tension the lock the bolt and levers tense up. This is a good indication you have tension. On some locks the shackle may move, allowing for a nice external indication. Then it's a case of moving the levers in turn, finding which one is binding and lifting into position. Once they are in position, the bolt will slide across. I hope you have enjoyed this little video. Until next time everyone, stay safe.